Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at the trend milking strategy for boom and crash. You heard that right, the trend milking strategy for boom and crash. These are some of the things we will be looking at during the course of the video. Okay, we'll be looking at the right trend to trade each of these assets, then also when the trend is starting and when the trend is ending and when it is the right time to trade with the trend, and the best time frame which you can use to trade the market successfully in order to milk the market for a very long time, or to milk it successfully. Okay, so these are some of the things that we'll be looking at in today's video. But before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how we can make some money for ourselves online. Okay, more especially in the forex niche. So if you have been following up, I believe you are already making some profit for yourself at the moment. But if you are yet to, if you are just joining us for the first time, this is Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you do your personal findings. Make sure you practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Okay, this is very vital and important because we don't want you to lose your money. We want you to make money and withdraw from this trading platform. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Quickly, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, we will be looking at the trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, let's quickly check this out. Okay, in most cases, okay, before coming down this place, okay, let me quickly go to Jamboard. Okay, in most cases, you should always know that all these assets are trend trading assets. Okay, I've always been saying this in my videos so that you guys will understand the exact way to trade it. Okay, and there is also one thing you should know. Okay, for you to sell boom, okay, for you to sell boom, it is well traded. For boom, okay, let's say you are trading it normally, that is, you are trying to sell it, it is best traded when the market is just starting the downtrend. Okay, or when it is already in downtrend, and at that stage you follow the signal on the entry point signal, then you also exit at that particular point. Okay, so that is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, that is when you sell boom. Okay, you sell boom. Okay, if you are trying to trade the spikes, that is best done when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so for crash, if you are trading crash normally, that is following the normal trend of crash, you buy it when the market is on uptrend. Okay, when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so but if you are selling the drop down candles, which is the spikes in crash, you do that when the market is on downtrend. So these are very important. If you don't know these, then you will be having some problems in trading it successfully. And another area is, how do you identify the uptrend and the downtrends? Okay, the uptrends and the downtrend, how do you identify it? How do you know when it is breaking out? How do you know when it is reversing? How do you know if it's just a pullback? Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to take notes of. So we'll be looking at that in the chart. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart. Okay, on this chart we have several things that are helping us to do our analysis within this split of a minute. Okay, so right now I'm having the QDC scraper indicator on this chart, and I turn it down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you guys can also do that, turn it down to 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using crash 1000 as a very good assets in order to do our analysis. Yeah, okay, so what I usually look out for is the beginning of the trend. I love it a lot. Okay, and the good thing about this indicator is it always indicates right from time, I mean right before the trend will start. Okay, right from here you can see that this was on red before, then later on it changed to green, but before it started going into green there is a yellow line here. Okay, that shows an uptrend arrow. It is telling us that the charts, I mean the market will soon start an uptrend at that particular point, and this is where the charts, I mean the market started the uptrend. Okay, it is at this point it started the uptrend. So, and that is how the uptrend started from here. Okay, so around there I should be getting ready to trade, but I won't go into the market immediately until I get the buy signal right from here. Okay, so I got my buy signal right from here, and what I need to do, remember this is 15-minute time frame, and like I always tell you, it will always find difficult to break out successfully. Okay, when the buy signal came out it was on red, but after that it went on blue and got to these 4 MA candles and crashed down to this level, but pull up back again and got to these 4 MA candles again and crashed down to this level again and pulled up, and this time around it broke out successfully and to this level. You can see that right now the current price action is at this side, which means it has really gone up, and it has, if you should check right here, you will see the yellow bar again and the drop down arrow, which means that the uptrend arrow is coming to an end any moment from now. So you should be getting ready for a sell trend. Okay, this might take some time before it will go fully into sell trend, but it will definitely go into sell trend. So you can wait for the sell arrow before you go into it. And since it is spikes trading, you can, even if you are going to place the first order, make sure you use the smallest lot size to do that. So it is always important you understand the trend. When you understand the trend, you will be able to milk the market successfully even for a very long time. If we should do the calculation between the entry point here and the exit point, this is where the exit point should be. The exit point should be when the trend is changing from, when you get a a trend alert here that it is changing from an uptrend to downtrend. So that is where, this is where you should exit the market. Okay, just right here. Of course it broke out from the resistance level, but it is still going up, but it is still maintaining its standard. It's going to go on a downtrend. So this actually gave us 151 candles, so we can do some calculations to know the number of minutes spent in the market. So that is 151 candles. Okay, 151 candles times 15 minutes. Okay, this actually gave us 2265 minutes opportunity to milk the market. Okay, you can divide it by 60. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. To know the number of hours spent, that is 37 hours. Okay, 24 hours makes a day. This is almost 2 days, guys. This is almost 2 days, so it is well above 1 day. Okay, let's say you don't even want to stay till the end of the trend because it is on 15-minute time frame, guys. You can always come in when you have your buy signal at the beginning right here and exit on your exit arrow, which is your red arrow. Okay, your sell signal. Then you come in again when you have another buy signal, then you exit right here, okay, on the arrow, and come in again when you have another buy signal, then you exit right here. Okay, some of you will be asking, what if the spikes happen suddenly? Of course it can happen suddenly, but in most cases it should the exit arrow should pop out before it happens. But let's say it does not pop out before it happens, because if the conditions used to code this indicator is not met, definitely it won't pop out before it will crash down. Okay, so let's say it does not pop out before it crashed down. But check it out. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. Okay, it's not possible for it to make a single crash for for it to continue crashing for good 15 minutes. No, it's not. Okay, probably the first crash will be somewhere about the half of this candle. Okay, will be somewhere about the half of the candle, and at that stage probably that is when the arrow came out and you can close the order at that particular time. Let's even say it is the whole of the candle. Okay, you came in here and you have gotten to this place and it crashed down to this level. It will only reduce your profit, guys. It will only reduce your profit. So you can, and you've seen the arrow already popping out, and it's probably after it crashed down to this level, you can exit your market and keep your profit at this point. Check it out. We can measure the number of candles. Yeah, that is 20 candles, guys. 20 candles. That is 20 times 15. 15. That is giving us 300 minutes. Okay, let's say you are earning 50 cents. If you are earning $1 per minute, that is $300. But if you are earning 50 cents per minute, okay, times zero point 0.5, that should be giving you $150, guys. So that is amazing. That is amazing. There is wisdom in everything you are doing. Okay, and you can keep on and on and on like that till the end of the trend, guys. It can go on and on and on like that till the end of the trend. So this is amazing. I want you guys to go back to your chart and try this setup, and also try the strategy I just explained to you guys, so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, start the trend with the market. Okay, start the market with the trend, okay, with the new trend, and follow it up to the very last. Okay, just try it out on crash, try it out on boom, and let's see what your results will look like at the end of the day. You can share your result with me on my WhatsApp. Okay, you can share your result with me on WhatsApp. Okay, just send your screenshots to me and we will be able to discuss together on it. Okay, remember, this is my WhatsApp details, and other contacts are also here, so feel free to contact me. I will always be happy to respond to you. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out. Bless you.